Welcome to the first video on getting started with 3LC. We'll follow the quick start guide in the documentation so you can set up 3LC and start tracking your training runs and datasets. First, create an account at account.3lc.ai. This automatically creates a default workspace, and then copy your API key. Next, install the 3LC Python package from PyPy using your preferred installer, and we'll use UV in this video. Then run 3LC login and paste your API key to connect your local 3LC usage to your workspace. Now start the 3LC object service by running 3LC service. The 3LC object service makes your datasets and training runs available in the 3LC dashboard. With the 3LC object service running, open dashboard.3lc.ai in your browser. On the landing page, you'll find example projects you can explore. Now, with everything set up, the next step is to integrate 3LC into your training code such that your samples and metrics appear in the dashboard. See you in the next video, where we'll create 3LC tables.